Hello and welcome to this information video about rankings of the International Academy of Science and Higher Education. In the course of the GISAP project and after holding the championships in scientific analytics of different kinds and levels, the Academy calculates individual and collective, national and international scientific rankings. Rankings of the Academy are not based on personal opinions and individual preferences of an insignificant number of authoritative experts. They are based on objective assessment of creative activities and achievements of scholars throughout a long period of time. To build the rankings here in the Academy, we use information about the intensity and outcome of participation of certain researchers who represent different universities and countries in championships in scientific analytics of the GISAP project. The Academy calculates national, continental and the world rankings. The scientific progress is obviously predetermined by activity and efficiency of creative efforts of scholars. Therefore, rankings of the Academy are also conditionally divided into rankings of activity and rankings of efficiency. The first ranking is the Personal Research Effectiveness ranking. It shows individual results of participation of a specific scholar in championships in scientific analytics during the calendar year. This indicator is calculated using the special formula, which takes into account the following information: number of times the corresponding person participated in championships and obtained different diplomas, facts of co-authorship when writing the reports, average expert assessment mark, activity of the scholar in reviewing and discussing the works submitted by other authors, simultaneous participation of such a person in 2 or even more sectoral championships. This ranking defines winners of championships in scientific analytics of different levels and types at the end of the year. The next one is the General Interdisciplinary Research Activity ranking. It is a qualitative ranking which is calculated taking into account the number of times the certain scientists or representatives of universities or countries took part in championships in scientific analytics during the calendar year. The third is the ranking of the special field-specific research activity of universities. It is a qualitative ranking similar to the previous one, but this index only takes into account facts related to a certain scientific branch. Ranking of the General Interdisciplinary Research Effectiveness of universities or countries is actually a yearly average score of representatives of a university or a country, which can be increased by bonuses granted for diplomas in championships in scientific analytics. The next is the ranking of the Special Field-Specific Research Effectiveness of universities or countries. It is similar to the previous one, but this index only takes into account facts related to championships in scientific analytics within a certain branch. There are also rankings of the Academy which only cover participation of students and young scholars under 35 in championships. These rankings are the following: the ranking of the General Interdisciplinary Research Activity of young scholars and students, the ranking of the General Interdisciplinary Research Effectiveness of young scholars and students, the ranking of the Special Field-Specific Research Effectiveness of young scholars and students. All top positions in the rankings of the Academy bring the ranking diplomas and the honorary awards to the corresponding persons. If you require any additional information about projects offered by the Academy, please take a look at our other videos and visit the official websites of the projects. Thank you for watching.